Dangerous people are people who pretend that they like you, but they know that deep down in their hearts, they don't like you. Those people are dangerous than people who shows you that they don't like you. You know that when you say that are your enemies, yes, it's better that you are already knows that are your enemies and they don't like you. You can stay away from them than a person who is close to you and you don't know that person don't like you. Most of the people, guys, nowadays we are pretending to each other. After that, we are gossiping about each other. And when you saw that person is calling you maybe a friend, but that person always gossiping about you, talking bad things about you when you are not around. But when you are around, they love you, they can pretend like everything is okay. What? Those people are dangerous because you don't know the next thing they are going to do to you. So be careful with your life. If you saw some of the red flags to that person pretend, stay away to that person because that person is dangerous. A person who pretends than people who shows you that they don't like you. It's better you show me and I will be away for you than a person who can pretend like everything is okay, but deep down, they know that they don't like you at all.